The objective of this lesson is to understand the AND formula in Excel, and this is a formula that usually you don't use on its own. You will use it with an if statement, for example, and it can save you a lot of hassle and make your formula much less complex. So what does AND do? Basically, it will check multiple conditions, and if all conditions are correct, are true, it will give you true. If one or more conditions are false, it will return false. So how do I test for conditions? So I have the operators here for you. So equal is the equal, not equal is an arrow to the left and an arrow to the right. So you can find those on your keyboard, usually above the comma and the dot. And if you press shift, you can get those. Then you have larger, which is an arrow to the right, smaller, an arrow to the left. And then if you add equal to them, you can convert it to larger or equal or smaller or equal. Now let's try this formula on a few examples. So here I have 6 bigger than 5 and text different than A. Both are true, so I should get true. So I'm going to write equal and open the parentheses. I select the cell, use my operator, which is bigger, then select the second cell. Then I do comma to go to my second logical test. I select my text and I say not equal to, and then I select my other cell, close the bracket, and I get true. Now, if you want to try text and you want to hard code, basically what you have to do, instead of having this cell, you have double quotation, then you write your text, and then you have another double quotation, and not the apostrophe that you see on the keyboard, not this one. You have to have the double quotation. So it's the same. Now let's try our second condition. So I'm going to say equal and this one smaller than data 2, then comma, text different than A. In this case, I get false. Why? Because one condition is false, which is 6 less than 5, so I'll get false. The last one I did to show you that this AND is not case sensitive for text, for example. So I will do AND 6 bigger than 5, which is true, and then text different than text. It's a different case, but it's the same text in the formula. So this one is not different than this one in the eye of AND. So when I say enter, I have one wrong condition, which is this one, so it will give me false.